Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing apps and access. Install Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, then sign in with your Microsoft account so files sync. Once done, make sure to grant storage and camera permissions. This lets you open local files and scan documents. If you plan to edit heavy spreadsheets, switch to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. These steps set a reliable foundation, so your files appear across devices and editing features are available when you need them. Now you open and edit. Tap a file from OneDrive, device folders, or an email attachment, then choose Edit to enable touch controls. Use the Home ribbon for templates, formatting, and quick actions. For Excel, tap cells to enter data, drag the fill handle, and use formulas from the function menu. Make sure autosave is on for cloud files. Otherwise, use Save as to pick a local folder. This workflow keeps versions clear and prevents accidental loss. Finish by sharing and exporting your work. Tap Share to send a link or attach a copy and set view or edit permissions so recipients can collaborate. When you need a fixed format, export as PDF and check layout and print preview before sending. If things go wrong, sign-in fails, permissions are denied, or files don't sync, try signing out and back in, force close the app, or clear the app cache. These steps usually resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.